and post-graduated in from MBA stream in 2022. So I have joined the Qspiders in the month of April 2023, and here I got placed as a business analyst. So here they have been added me for the two requirements. One is test Yantra and another one is the Heraizen technology, and this is my second requirement which I got placed. So here there were the many technical subjects which are taught by Umashankar sir for manual, SQL by Ramakrishna sir, and core Java by Manjunath sir and Chidambaram sir, Selenium by Mamata ma'am. So I would like to thank all the people who taught me the subjects thoroughly, making me to practice and keep on supporting me. Also I like HRs to thank for giving me the requirements. So like my sincere advice to everyone is like do presentations regularly, attend the classes, clear the mocks, and follow the requirements which you have been added to, or attend the grooming sessions as well. Even if you want to know more about that, you can consult the faculty apart from the class hours as well. You can go on for any requirement grooming sessions if you want to have more knowledge about that. Thank you, the Qspiders, for this opportunity.